Hello everyone and welcome to FreeCAD tutorials. In this tutorial we explain how to engrave text in the 3D object in FreeCAD. And here is a small demonstration. Here I created this object and on top of this object I engraved this text. Hello, how are you? To show you the power of FreeCAD, if I click here, and again if I click here, I can select any other font, for example this one. And if I click on OK, the font will be changed, as you can see over here. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to thoroughly engrave text in a 3D object. And let's immediately start. Once you open FreeCAD, click on File, click on New, then make sure that over here Part Design is selected. And let's create our part. To create the part, simply click on Part Design and create Body. Then over here, click on Body, then locate this button, expand it and click on Create Sketch. Here, select the XY plane and click on OK. Let's create a simple object. Here I will create a circle. So click here, click on Create Circle by Center, click over here and draw a circle. Here you can specify, for example, the radius to be 100. With the right click, click on Close, and here is our circle. The next step is to extrude this surface. To extrude this surface, simply select the sketch, then click over here and specify the extrusion distance to be 10, and click on OK. Next, to make this object to look more nicer, do the right click on the object and click on Random Color. And I actually don't like this color, so I will do it again and click on Random Color again. This is too dark color, so let's do it again. And here's the color. Looks good. The next step is to create our text. To create the text, click here and over here click on Draft. That is, we need to open this drafting menu. Now, locate this option Shape from Text. So let's click over here and you will see this Shape String menu. First of all, we need to select a point. Let's click here and then over here as the distance, let's specify it 10, since this is the height of the object. And then let's select or let's type the text that we want to print. For example, hello, how are you? And here it is. Next, we need to specify the height of the text. Let's go, for example, with 8, and we will later on check if this is fine. And finally, let's select the font. Click over here, and this menu will pop up. All the fonts are actually located in the C Windows font. To show you how to find this folder, click on C, double click, then find your Windows folder. And then in the Windows folder, you actually have the font folder. You can click anywhere here, press F, click here, and here are all the fonts you have. Let's go with something that's often being used, such as Calibri Bold. So we just need to find it. So where it is, Calibri B TTF. Okay, click here and click Open. And then currently text is not displayed. However, if you click on OK, here it is. Okay, so here is our text. So we need to modify several things. First of all, we need to change the size of this font. So double click on Shape and let's go, for example, with 6. Let's see what will happen. Click on OK and here it is. Good. Now we have our font, actually our text. Next, let's move this text. Click here, click on Text, and let's move it somewhere over here. And note over here that you're actually moving in the plane. So let's click here. And then over here, we can also click and we can also rotate. To rotate, simply click here, and then you can specify any base angle you like. So for example, if you do something like this, you'll be able to rotate. So let's keep it like this. Okay, now we have our text, which is actually a shape string, and the next step is to assign the shape string to our body. To assign this text to a body, I will first close this window, then I will click on shape string, I'll do the right click, and then over here you need to find the option to assign this shape to the body. However, you cannot do it from this menu. You need to actually go back to the part design. So click here and click on part design and click here on model, then do the right click And then over here, you will find this option, move object to other body. So click here, and from the drop-down menu, you will only see body and click OK. Now, this shape string is actually assigned to the body, and we can do all sorts of things. So the next step is to create a pocket. So simply click on shape string, click over here on the pocket, and let's see what will happen. A menu will pop up. So be patient over here. And you can actually see that automatically the menu pop-ups, and then here you can specify how deep you want to go. Do you want to go 4, 5 millimeters, how far you want to go, and here you will simply select that, and you will specify how far you want to go. So let's go, for example, I don't know, let's see, here I specified actually 6 millimeters, and you can see how the text looks like. Next, let's change the color of the body. Simply do the right click and select some random color. However, you can still see the text over here. Now, let me show you the power of FreeCAD. Let's go back to the shape string. And then over here, instead of Calibri, let's select some other font. So for example, this one. Click on OK, click on OK, and you can see how everything is parameterized and how the text is changed. Very nice. Let's again change the color, put some random color again, and you can see it over here. Next, let's see how this text looks like if we create a slice of this object. To create a slice, you need to click on Tools, or actually need to click on View, and over here you need to click on Persistent Section Cut. So if you click on Persistent Section Cut, this menu will pop up, and now over here you need to select the axis that you want to cut. Notice the coordinate system, that Z, X, and Y is like this. So let's see what happens if you click on X. If I click on X, you will see how everything is being cut. And then you have this slider, and if you move this slider, you will see how over here everything is being updated. And in this way, you can actually cut and see how your cut looks like. That is, you can see how deep is your cut. So let me now again a little bit change here, and you will see over here, once everything is updated, how the cut looks like. And that's it. In this way, we were able to create, or better to say, to engrave the text in the 3D object. And later on, you can, for example, 3D print this, or you can send this to the G code, or you can mill it, and you can create, for example, a gift to your friend or someone else. Now, before I conclude this video tutorial, I have to mention the following. On my YouTube channel, there are more than 1,000 free video tutorials covering different topics such as control engineering, mechanical engineering, FreeCAD, CAD, COMSOL multiphysics, finite element analysis, machine learning, robotics, and especially robot operating system. That is, you can learn a lot of nice things if you're interested in engineering. And this is especially the case for people who are just starting an engineering program, since on my YouTube channel you can find a lot of free lecture material that will help you during your studies. And that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like the videos I'm creating, please press the like and subscribe buttons, and see you in the next